So guys, back with another video on my new YouTube channel. Today we have a controversial video and a controversial pair because the pair itself, it can be either loved by you or hated by you. I think there's a lot of people that hate this kind of union to Jordan 4 collab pairs, and I also think that the people that really love it, they do love it, right? So I'm one of the guys that loves this pair, this being one of the probably most different colorways on Jordan 4s. These are the Guavas, if I'm not wrong, that's the name. And what I want to also address on this video is the fact that I want to show you exactly what a wrap is and what a pair of non-retail shoes can look like if it's proper quality, if it's proper shipping, if it's a proper product in the end. So just saying that this video is for educational purposes only, and whatever you do, it's on you. I'm not addressing you to buy or do any kind of this stuff. It's just for educational purposes. So here it is, the box. Starting off the box comes perfectly correct. Look at the Union Jordan right there. Of course, if you have a retail pair or if you are a professional reviewer, a professional retail buyer or reseller or whatever you are, probably will find some stuff that is not legit one-on-one, small details, but this is probably the best you can get in terms of a wrap of this kind of shoe. So box comes correct, beautiful inside blue box. Look at how correct the paper is. It's not a regular random white paper. It comes on the correct material with the Jordan right here, and it also has the second layer of the paper itself. Now taking off the bad boys, just addressing for the fact that yes, the box comes correct, and also it comes with the extra laces. I think these are the only extra laces for this pair, the kind of orangey yellow ones. So far so good. As you guys can see, we have the YDM logo right there. We have the tags and everything on the box. So everything very clean and sharp so far, right? So that's the kind of experience that you are looking if you are buying a wrap, is something that comes even with the box correct, even with the tags correct and everything. So for me, this is quality. Now going for the pair itself, and you guys can find always these kind of links on my description. This one particularly doesn't come from a medium to low kind of store or agent or something. This is actually coming from a high quality store. I'm not promoting it in this case because I did review it in the past and I did promote it in the past. But as I said, this is for educational purposes only. I just want to address for the quality of these things nowadays. If you are one of these guys that are looking to not spend $1,000 for a shoe or $500 for a shoe, and if you really love the shoe but you cannot find it anywhere or something like that, here it is, your opportunity to get it. So going for the Guavas, look at the material right here, the no-buck material. I think this is suede actually, either no-buck or suede. I can't really tell. I think suede should have movement, but this one doesn't have, so this shall be no-buck. Either way, look at the quality of the stitching, everything on place, everything on site. Look at all over the shoe. You cannot find nothing to point out. You cannot find glue stains. You cannot find lack of proper painting. You cannot find, I mean, everything's on site. Look at this pair, bro. Super clean, super beautiful, heavy. Quality is there. Puffy on the inside as well, very important. And bro, everything correct. Look at the stitching at the front, logo correct, size correct, proportions. Look at the quality even of the laces, quality laces right here. A very sturdy and strong pair. So even the back tab, of course, doesn't shine on the back and comes with the fast, as you guys always ask for, the fast pop-up. Look at the back, super clean. And that's why I even chose this kind of ambience with lighting, so that you guys can really properly see what you are getting into in terms of quality, because this needs to be shared, this needs to be said, even for educational purposes. I want to educate you on this kind of stuff, because most of the people think that still nowadays things like these are coming completely flawed and stuff like that. Of course, that happens sometimes. You can be unlucky. You can even get too much early release, which will probably not come with the correct final product colors and stuff. But for stuff like this that is out for some time, it's going to come perfect if you really look for the correct spots to get it. Look at this freaking quality, man. It's crazy. For me, this is crazy. For me, this is quality. This pair can last you easily the same lifetime, or even more probably, than the real deal in the end, you know. It's very crazy. It's very crazy, very impressive. Of course, these things you can get them for cheaper, for under 30 to 50 bucks if you are a cheap guy, and if you don't want to spend like 150 on these. But if you really want to have the experience of the one-on-oneness, this is the video for you. I just want to kind of alert you for these kind of things, you know, because most of the people don't know it still nowadays. Even though you think everybody knows it, not yet everybody's informed on these things, that these things are out there competing with the retail, showing that they can really do the same job of perfection for a fraction of the price. Even though this is not one of the most expensive pairs out there, it's just an example, you know. I have lots of shoes. I have lots of pairs that I can compare, and I can kind of evaluate the quality of the materials and how one-on-one it is compared to the real thing. And this is just one of those, you know. I have collaborations, I have family and friends pairs, I have things that you will never really have, absurd kind of pairs that I have. But this is just an example, you know. Even for the $200-300 pairs, I have them as a wrap. But this is just to show you in terms of quality what you can get. So I hope that you guys liked the video. Remember, this is for educational purposes only, just addressing the fact that these things are out there competing with the retail. And I mean, besides moral values and stuff like that, this is really worth it, man. Don't waste your fucking money, because life is too short to spend 500 on a shoe. For real, for real. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you on the next one. Peace.